Hello, good morning, good evening. Wait, there five. Asia, let's see, Australia, Japan, no, Australia, Asia, UK, and US. Okay, four sessions, yeah, four sessions. Let's say African session, right? Yeah, so Australia, good night. You guys, you can go and sleep. Asia, yes, you guys are also headed to bed. UK, yay. Well, the guys, we on, yo. Um, US, yeah, US, what's the time? 1600, yeah. You guys are just waking up, yeah. So, okay, good evening, good morning, good night, whatever the case may be. So, how are you guys doing? Yeah, the markets have been looking good today. Good, I would say, for me because of the topic that we're going to be discussing today, and that is your trading plan. What is a trading plan? Why is a trading plan important? Why should every trader have a trading plan? And the biggest question is, what does a trading plan entail? Yeah. So today we're going to talk about, we'll be talking about the five critical elements every trading plan must have. So stick around. I'm going to make this as short as possible so you don't have to, so you can follow easily. Okay. Um, in the next 2 seconds, in the next 2 minutes, I'm just going to fire up my Facebook page so I can respond to questions. And yes, please ask questions. I'm going to fire up my Facebook page, set up the Q&A session so I can actually answer questions live, and then I'm going to dive right into this. Yeah, maximum of 20 to 30 minutes. We should be done out of here and back into the markets. Okay. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? There. Yeah, this kind of gets a little tricky, so you'll bear with me. At times okay, quickly just I think I have 60 more seconds left. Yeah, so just bear with me. I need to because I said yes, you can ask me your questions live and I'll be answering them. And today we're talking about the five critical elements of a trading plan. What should you have? What is a trading plan? Why should you have a trading plan? And what does a trading plan entail? Okay, so okay, there we go. You can start posting in your questions and I'll be answering them live on anything, absolutely anything. Just ask away and I'll be answering live. Okay, so let's start this. Let's go. What is a trading plan in forex trading? So just like any other business, you in forex you basically have so many things you have to look at. You need to do Ta-da-da-da-da. No, 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 no. Simply ask what you wish to know. Okay, so I was saying yes, in forex trading, there's so many things that we're always looking at. Okay, in we always have to look at. Let me look at. Let me give you an overview of my 24 hours. Say assuming I'm trading for 24 full hours. Okay, so this is what happens. At the end of the day, I'm going to look at my trading journal and take stock of my successes, my achievements, my profits made, and lost trades, and things like that. Okay, so again, I can say, please ask your questions, and I'm going to be answering them live right now, right here, right now. So invite your friends to watch. That's if you're mobile or whatever. Just invite your friends, and let's go through this really quickly. I don't intend to spend so much of your time. Okay, the first question, Marvin King, recommend me the broker for someone beginning forex. Jeez, Marvin, yes, that depends on. There are so many brokers offering different Marvin. I need to know. Yes, okay, yes, I know you. Okay, fine. Marvin, it depends on your wallet size. Okay, different brokers offer different services, different types of accounts with different terms and conditions for each account. So if I'm to recommend a broker, I would say I wouldn't really want to recommend a broker at this point. Oh yes, and I'm sure you know because I just shared it somewhere. Light Forex has just been suspended. Light Forex UK has just been suspended. So I don't know why, but yes, it's always important to always keep checking on your broker status, the registration and license details of your brokers. Because I mean, if they are suspended and you're doing business with them, your money is gone, just gone like that. Yeah, so you need to constantly keep checking. But yes, to answer Marvin, you need to look at this is one of the this is instead of recommending a broker, I'll give you some of the things you need to look out for. Okay, one is the mode of execution of your broker. Okay, how is he going to be executing your trades, and how is what is his mode of execution, what are the spreads on the account types of account he's offering, what is his modes of deposit, what are the withdraw options, what is the withdraw time. Okay, look at those five critical areas, because it's useless to try for over days and days to try to put in money and your money is not getting onto your trading account, which is very rarely the case. Okay, but most critical, it really hurts when you actually trade for what, 2 3 10 years or whatever, and you can't take out your money. Okay, so the ability to withdraw your money is critical. The ability to withdraw your money is crucial. Okay, so if you can put in your money but you cannot take it out, now that becomes a real trick. So I wouldn't recommend a broker. Okay, but I will easily say, I'll give you what to look out for when you're broker hunting. Okay, so yes, look at their deposit options, look at the types of accounts, the spreads on the accounts, the ability to deposit, and the ability, most importantly, to take out your money. Critical. Look at those five things. Okay, so back to the trading plan. And if any of you else has a question about absolutely anything, yes, please ask. But yeah, Marvin, I hope you're sorted. Yeah, I'm going to respond to you in a second. I'm going back to the trading plan. So what is a trading plan? Just like any other business, you need to take stock of what you've done day by day, record of what you've done, your achievements, your profits made, your losses made, and and so many other things. Okay, and that goes into your trading journal. Now that is what is going to guide you, most especially in what you are going to use for your risk assessment, which is item number 4. That is supposed to be 4. This is not, this is 2, this is 4. Item number 4 in your trading plan, which is risk management. But just to take them in order, I'm beginning out in Forex, and I invest $50 expecting to earn $2 per day with only 4 trades per day. Can I really make it in Forex? As in, though I don't earn much, can't this be enough? Marvin, this is my recommendation. Okay, um, trade fundamentals. Okay, trade fundamentals, and that way, yes, if you invest $50 in your trading and you expect about you said expecting to earn $2 per day with only 4 trades per day, can I really make it in Forex? Yes. If your expectation is $2 per day with an investment of $50, making only 4 trades, yes, that is possible. $2 or even more. However, I would easily recommend you go for the even more, which is why I say go and trade fundamentals. Yeah, trade fundamentals, grow your account to at least $100. Keep on growing your account because with fundamentals you can literally spin your account. You can virtually double your account in seconds. Yeah, that is crucial. You need to, if you're low on cash, trade fundamentals. If you're low on cash, trade fundamentals. um, I always teach fundamentals, but I always teach fundamentals as a mod or some sort of survival mechanism. Okay, yeah, I teach. Sorry, I teach fundamentals as a mode of survival mechanism, so someone can, in the worst case scenario, make the most adverse moves to double or recover their lost monies. Yeah. Now, coming back to your trading plan, the first thing you need to do is your currency selection. Okay, as you look at your previous day's trades, you always need to go back and look at which currencies, as you're doing your analysis, which currencies lost you money, why you lost money, and from there, which currencies you intend to trade the next day. So the first element in your trading plan is your choice of currency. Okay, that is critical. You need to know which currency, depending on your equity size, what currency you're trading is critical to your success. You need to plan that the day before. Basically, this all comes from that old adage: if you fail to plan, then you're, is it inadvertently planning to fail or something like that. So if you fail to plan, you're directly planning to fail. Yeah, so let's not plan to fail. This is why in Forex education we always teach the trading plan, and this is one of the most ignored um, sessions by most forex traders, and this is what leads people to actually making losses, because they do not keep track of their trading. They simply wake up in the morning and rush into the charts, look at, find the trend and jump in. Fine, you might make money, yes, you might not make money, yeah, that's it. But if you have a plan, there are always higher chances of you making money. So point number one, choice of element number one of a good trading plan is your choice of currency pair. The choice of currency pair is made your based on your technical and fundamental analysis. Sorry, someone is bothering me here asking me questions. based on your technical and fundamental analysis, if you think, if you're a trend continuation trader like me, and you think you're going to be able to make more money, you're going to have good trends in the next day from your technical and fundamental analysis, then you're going to also look for the best pair, or the pair that is likely to trend or give you the most trends, and that is what you're going to trade. You always have to stick to very few pairs. Don't just trade anything or everything because of the excitement, or because you had a friend saying that, hey, this is what is trending, this is what is going to trend. No, do your own analysis. Okay, this forex trading is a business. You need to treat it as a business. Okay, even though it might be a passive income, and even though I always recommend it to be a passive income, you need to treat it as a business, because this is money, this is your hard-earned money. Okay, element number two, yeah, direction, entries and direction. Once you have your currency, your pair or pairs, one or two that you're going to trade, the next thing is, what direction is it going to follow? How do I confirm this direction? So element number two, entries and direction. So now I found this. At what price level do I get in? At what price level should I enter the market? What direction is it going to follow? How is this direction favorable? How sustainable is it? That is backed up by your initial technical and fundamental analysis. Okay. um, Number three, yeah, your TP and exits. Yeah, your TP, your exit points. That's basically your take profit. Yeah, again, if you're a trend continuation trader, you want to hit, if you're a trend continuation trader, then, and you're a manual trader at that, then you're going to want to have your take profit like my friend Marvin, who usually uses support and resistance. Yes, you're going to put multiple take profits at all the points of support and resistance that you locate once the trend has been confirmed. Remember, you do not get into the market if you are a trend continuation trader before the trend is confirmed, because you're losing money. You're losing money. So once the trend is confirmed, then the direction, how sustainable this direction is, there you can use a plethora, you can use so many indicators. I mean, I love to use the Fibonacci, but there's so many other indicators you can use. Once you have the direction, then you get to point number three, which is your take profits and your exits. Oh, I've been trading. Okay, Marvin again. I've been trading on any pair for as long as. Thanks so much. I've been trading on any pair for as long as it has been trending, but I just want some advice from you. What are the best pairs I should stick on? Because the economy I usually follow. Wait. Because the economy I should stick on. Let me try to. I can't see this because the economy is that of the US. Oh, okay. So you usually follow the US markets. Okay. Um, Marvin, what pairs should you follow? This comes down to element number one. Your choice of currency pairs in our trading plan, the thing that I'm talking about today. Yeah, before you jump into the market. Yeah, look at, first of all, you need to, Marvin, you're a beginner, and I think I've also been following you for quite a while. You've really put in a lot of work in this. Okay, now the thing is that you need to zero down on, first of all, your style of trading. Yeah, then you need to zero down, then you need to add to that your trading strategy. Okay, now I remember sometime we were talking about having developed a trading strategy, which is good. Now you need to master what your trading style is. Okay, and then from there you can now begin incorporating the elements of this trading plan that we're talking about. Item number one, your choice of the currency pair. Okay, that has to rhyme with you. Yeah, are you a majors person like me? Are you a cross person, like your friend Christine? Are you? It depends. Yeah. By the way, you need to invite Crystal. We don't know where she is. You need to tell her to come in. We'll deal with that later. Stuart Orleans, how long can I train to start live trading? Stuart, I usually take my students through 1 month and 2 weeks of training. Um, uh, that's with me, hands-on, face-to-face. I usually take them on for that period of time. I usually recommend another 1 month of training on your own, but the entire mentorship program or whatever, it goes on for life. Yeah, you never stop learning. There are people to whom I'm also a mentee. Yeah, I keep learning from them. So in this business, you never stop learning. Okay, so how long can I train to start live trading? I am still training. I train every day. I blow up demo accounts every other month. I blow them. Why? Because the markets are very fluid, okay? They keep changing all the time. So I have to keep reinventing myself. I have to keep reinventing my strategies in order to be valid to you. By the time I come and speak to you, I'm speaking out of experience, I'm speaking out of what I've practiced, and so much more. Okay, Stuart, hope that's fine. Element number 4, risk management. Okay, so in the forex business, we're not all about giving guarantees and all that. You'll always hear me and several other forex educators and signal providers and software writers saying, hey, we're looking for the highest profitability setups, the highest probability setups. Yeah, because we do not control these markets. Yeah, these markets are controlled by world economies. These markets are controlled by events like the G7 running on right now. Trump and China are thinking of restarting the trade wars, and actually I'm going to do a video on how to trade the trade wars between US and China. I'm going to do a video on how to trade the trade wars, because there's actually a lot of money. There's a lot of money being made in the trade wars. So someone remind me to do a video, okay, after this. Yeah. Okay, fine. Tomorrow. Yeah. But this week we have to do a video. Okay. So yes. Yeah. So I was saying there's a lot of money being made in the trade wars between US and China, and I'm going to do a video on how to trade that exactly. So coming back to element number 4, which is your risk management. Okay, risk management is basically um, thinking of the eventuality with knowing that this is your hard-earned money. Okay, you always want to take measures. You always want to take the proactive step and say, just in case this trade goes wrong, what should I do? Just in case I'm actually trend trading and the trend is moving right and I'm actually in the money. Okay, what if a fundamental hits? What if an earthquake hits in Asia? What if a fire starts up in Canada? What do I do to secure my money in split seconds? There's so many options you can do. You can use the trailing stop, you can use the manual trailing stop, or automated. You can kick in. Stuart, what trading platform do you recommend? Four, 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 MT4, four, four. Yeah, MT4. Yeah, that's the trading platform. Uh, I, 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 I love MT5. MT5 has a beautiful interface. Not many brokers are offering MT5 as yet, and those that are offering MT5, I personally do not trust them because I've not done my homework on them. Okay, so I'm not saying they are bad or anything. I've just not done my homework on them, so I cannot say for sure whether what they are offering is um, is good, would be good for you. Okay, so yeah, risk management. Just in case this is a trader thinking on the other side of the coin. Okay, yes, I have a good trading strategy. Yes, I know my trading style, I have practiced it. Yes, this is the best time for me to trade. Yes, this is the currency pair I selected. Yes, I've set in my take profits, I have my exits, I know the trade direction. But what if this happens? Risk management, that's an entire session. It's about a 3-day session I cover with my students, because it's really long, and it's really actually, it's for some people, it's actually, they say it's actually scaring them. And for me, I rather throw that in your face. I rather tell you about the ugly truths about Forex and tell you, hey, people do make money, okay, but you have to be prepared for the eventualities, because the markets that you're trading in are not controlled by you. Yeah, um, the markets that you are trading in are run by billions of retail traders like yourself, huge banks and hedge funds that have that's why they call us retail traders, because we're nothing but tiny little fleas that can't even we won't even cause a ripple in the ocean of the financial markets. Okay, so there are traders and huge money sources out there, um, and so any sort of conspiracy can actually work against a retail trader, and it can work so badly against you. And since this is your hard-earned money we're talking about here, you yourself are trading your hard-earned money, you need to think of you need to bring in the just in case factor. If I'm already making money, I've already moved so many pips, and the fundamental sets in, what do I do to exit immediately? How do I safeguard my money? Okay, there's so many ways you can do that. Okay, you can hedge, for those who love hedging. It depends on what you're hedging against, and then you can use your trails, you can use counter trades, or it depends. You can open up counter positions in your trend, and that's counter trend trading. I really don't do that. I mean, because money gained is equal to twice money lost. I mean, it has never made sense to me, so I don't do that at all. So yeah, sorry, Stuart learned what platform? MT4, yes, that is sorted. So the final and last element, okay, of your trading plan is your choice of time frame. Why is the choice of time frame very important? You have about 9 time frames on MT4. Okay, this is what we all trade. Um, when you trade on the larger time frames, when you trade on the global time frames, that is from H4 to M1. Okay, you find you have longer trends. You find you have you seem to have more sustainable trends on the larger time frames as compared to the shorter time frames you seem to have larger trends than on the shorter time frame. Are there times when what was his name? Isaac, yes. Isaac was asking on YouTube, is there a possibility that you can trade one time frame against the other? Yes, there is what they call a multi-time frame alignment. You can trade two different time frames at the same time. How you choose to do it is really up to you. That I can also teach you how to do it. I don't practice it that often. It depends on what I'm trading, the asset I'm trading, and why. But the choice of time frame really determines your overall profitability. If you are able to catch a trend that you notice um, on the 1 minute time frame, if you can execute it on the 1 minute time frame and then hold it out straight for up to say the M1 time frame, the 1 month time frame, you, it will definitely require a larger equity it will definitely require a lot of patience, and like they say, the average trader's solvency is about 15 minutes. So for a trader to actually master the patience to hold an open trade, whether it's gaining or whether it's in profit or it's in losses for longer than 15 minutes, really takes a lot of practice. It really takes a lot of practice. However, you realize that when you're trading on a shorter time frame like the M1, you're actually closing more positions a lot faster. You're buying and selling a lot faster. Why? Because of the smaller time frame volatility experienced within the shorter time frame, while as if you were to follow higher time frames like the 1 hour, 4 hour to daily time frames, or if you were to pick your trades from the higher time frames and then execute them on the lower time frames, you would actually find you're holding one single position for a lot longer, and you have your probability of actually making more money is actually increased, yeah, because you're holding one position for a lot longer. In that case, like Marvin was asking earlier on, you're able to actually hold one trade for the whole day and actually make profit on that trade, make money on that trade, grow your equity, and actually use that to even make more trades the next day. Okay, so just to recap, element number one, your choice of currency pairs. Okay, two, your entries and the direction of the trade, very critical. One, giving you when to enter into the markets, and how sustainable that trend is likely to be. Three, your target profits. Okay, number four, just in case 1, 2, and 3 are covered, you need to think about just in case something goes wrong. What do I do to secure the money I have, keep it safe, or in case the trade zooms in the wrong direction right at the start, how much money am I willing to lose? At what point am I willing to cut my losses? Okay, and then obviously point number 5 is your choice of time frame. Once you have your choice of time frame, sorry, once you have your choice of time frame fixed, then just a second. Yeah, so once you have your choice of time frame fixed, um, those basically are the 5 elements of a good trading plan. Once you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fixed, then you know that you're not going to execute a maximum of what, 2, 3 trades in a day, and that is what leads to a successful and highly profitable trader. Marvin, after here I'm sending you my strategy king. I just need an adjustment because at times I make some good profits and other times some good losses, but I'm not developing a holy grail. I just need adjustment recommendations from someone like you, Marvin. And to everyone out there, strategy adjustments I do for free. Okay, I don't give strategies for free, but strategy adjustments for free. Yeah, just ask me what you need or what you think you're doing. You don't even have to give me the whole strategy, you just have to ask for my ideas. Okay, just poke my ideas, seek my opinion, and I'll give you the best. Okay, the best ideas, what I have, and if possible I'll even run tests for you. Okay, just to show you whether or not what you're thinking is actually workable, whether it will actually make you money. Okay, I can actually run tests and run simulations, and I mean, that's virtually creating a robot. So I can actually create a trading robot out of your strategy, and just to tell you or show you whether or not it's working, and that is for free. Yeah, because you need help. Yeah, there are also people that offer me help, just like I told you. In Forex, we do not stop learning. There are people that I am also learning from. Okay, so yeah, this is a continuous learning thing. I help you, you help me, you also go help somebody else. Yes, but your strategy is your strategy. If somebody wants your strategy, they're going to have to pay. Yeah, people pay. When you go to the hospital, You do not pay the doctor to treat you. No, you pay the doctor because of the knowledge he has, which you lack. Okay, you lack knowledge, and that is what you're going to, the knowledge to treat, and that is what you're paying for. Okay. Mono Mono Daniel, Mono Daniel, please inbox me your contacts. Oh, what contacts? Just go to my page. My phone number is there, Mono Daniel. My phone number, my email address, my WhatsApp number. My phone number is my WhatsApp number, so you can contact me anytime. Yeah, I'll just send you my WhatsApp number right now in the comments. There, yeah, Daniel, you have my WhatsApp number, but you can go to my to the Facebook page, the very Facebook page on which this video is, and check the check for my email and everything else. So yeah, the 5 elements of a good trading plan: choice of currency, direction, target, exit, risk management, and the time frame you're choosing. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Okay, peace out.